Welcome to CM Pro's purchase order and release video. Start by logging in and selecting the project you'd like to update. Then, proceed to the purchase order module. Choose Add to create a new purchase order. Then, select a vendor from the drop-down menu and fill in the description and scope of the purchase order. You can import the purchase order details by choosing Import as shown. The import function works the same throughout the database. You can find a video on how to import in the Help menu. For this video, we'll manually create our purchase order detail. Choose Add Row to add detail line items to your purchase order. Then, choose the cost code from the drop-down menu. The cost codes are from your budget. Add the description, the dimension, if any, the contracted value, the quantity, and finally choose Save. Repeat this process until you have created all of the desired rows. Choose Save and you'll receive this notification. After you've created the purchase order and you're ready to release some or all of the materials contracted, navigate to the Purchase Order module within Office and choose the purchase order you created and choose the Release button shown. Once inside the Release Management, choose Add. This is also where you can add change orders to your purchase order. For this video, we'll only create a release. From here, choose Add Row to begin creating your first release. Choose the material you want released from the drop-down menu. Then, input the quantity and the date released. Repeat this process until you have input all of the material you want released on this order and then choose Save. You'll receive a notification like this. After you've created the release, you can tell the field personnel to open the PO Release module as shown once they are ready to receive the released material. Then, they'll choose the Release button from the appropriate vendor. Once they've opened that vendor's purchase order release, they'll choose the Update button as shown. Next, they will update the date received, received quantity, bill of lading number, a link to any photos, and any comments about the delivery. Finally, they need to click Save in order to update the purchase order and release in the Office module. The release can now be viewed in the Field or Office module. If the field personnel only have field permissions, they'll only see the release. OFFE, CE and Project Administrator permissions can see the entire purchase order and releases. The process for printing and emailing reports is the same throughout the database. If you need help in printing or emailing your documents, you can find a video in the Help menu on how to print and email documents. We hope you have found this video helpful. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to email us at help@cmpro.com. Best of luck with your project.